Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing an insane NordVPN special deal that can save you up to 70% right now. If you care about online privacy, streaming geo-blocked content, or protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, this video is for you. Right now, NordVPN is running a limited promotion valid until February 11. You can get up to 70% off when you choose the 2-year plan. Prices start from just $3.39 per month, which is honestly one of the best VPN deals available. So what exactly is NordVPN? NordVPN is one of the world's most trusted VPN services, used by millions to encrypt internet traffic, hide IP addresses, and unlock content globally. With over 6,000 servers worldwide, NordVPN delivers fast speeds for streaming, gaming, and remote work. You can easily access Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and many other platforms from anywhere. Security-wise, NordVPN offers military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and advanced features like threat protection and kill switch. It also works on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even routers, so you can protect all your devices with one account. Let's talk about why this special deal matters. Normally, premium VPNs can be expensive, but with this promotion, you're locking in a huge discount for 2 full years. That's long-term privacy and freedom online for the price of a coffee each month. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just browsing at home, NordVPN keeps your connection secure and private. And yes, this offer is only available for a limited time, ending February 11th. If you're thinking about getting a VPN this year, now is honestly the smartest time. I've placed the special NordVPN link in the description below. Just click it to claim up to 70% off and get started in minutes. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech deals and digital tools, and share this video with someone who needs better online security. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.